Reciting Dhamma without practicing of it is fruitless, like a cowherd's count of another's cattle. Dhammapad 19. Some person may know the word of Buddha extensively and can repeat it all, but through utter neglect they live not up to it. In consequence, they do not reach any religious attainments. He enjoys not the fruits of recluse life. This is exactly like the way of life of a cowherd who looks after another's cattle. The cowherd takes the cattle to the pasture in the morning, and in the evening he brings them back to the owner's house. He gets only the wage. Dhammapad 19. Bohong pise sohitang bhasamano no tokkoro hoti noro pamotto ko pabo gabo gonoyong poresong no bhagava samoyoncho hoti. Dhammapad 19.